Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reach 100% island index to unlock the new home island in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the latest update, there is a new feature called the home island feature, and we can choose or set our home island. So if we respond, we will automatically teleport to the home island. And my current home island is the Sisyphus statue. So anytime I spawn, I will be automatically teleported to the Sisyphus statue. And right here, guys, we need to have 100 index. As you can see, if it's not 100%, we can't set the island to our home island. And I'm going to show you how we can reach 100% index. If we want to reach 100%, basically we just need to catch all the fish from the island. For example, the Sisyphus statue of the Lost Isle. I've already catched almost all the fish except the secret fish right here. So you need to catch all the fish except the secret fish so you can reach 100% index. It doesn't matter if you haven't catched the secret fish. And I'm going to share you a tips. For example, this treasure room, I haven't catched two common fish. And if we want to catch those fish, we need to use the rod which has a lower rarity. For example, the starter rod or the uncommon block rod. Yeah, to catch the uncommon fish. And okay guys, that's how you can finish the island index 100% to unlock a new home island in Fish It. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.